almost 8. Came here real fast to eat one bugacha and drink one coffee. We have all the gear and the things ready to set up again the motorcycle, and we will go to the Albanian borders.
Yes, in about 35 minutes we'll be in the Albanian borders, and from there we're gonna make a stop at a lake and then continue on to Tirana.
That's our plan.
We're eating bugacha right now. How is it?
Real handmade bugacha.
Yeah, it's really good.
The store called San Alote.
Yeah, and bugacha is cream-filled like pastry, and on top they sprinkle powdered sugar and cinnamon. And we got the sweet one because they also have salty options that you can get with like cheese. This is our room tour. This is a little like hanging place, closet space. This is a nice counter space that we have here. A mirror. This is the bed. A little sitting place. And this is a view. There's a little balcony here. There's the bathroom that you can close the shutter or you can keep it open. This is the shower, it's really big. Now we're off to the museum. This is at 5 and we don't have time. So we just came to the square, the main square after the museum. Where are we?
Skander Bay Plaza.
The weather is nice. It's quite hot though. Before we got rained on a lot. In the morning we started with like 15 degrees and now it's like 35. How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
My back hurting me. Hungry and thirsty.
And it's just the beginning.
Yes, I want to sit and eat somewhere.
We're gonna go have dinner after this. So we got these rice balls with spices. We got this spinach pie. And these are the meatballs. So we're walking to find some souvenir shops. So we just got back to the hotel and we're gonna sleep right now because we're so tired. We just finished doing some jacuzzi and then a little bit of sauna. Our backs are killing us. And tomorrow we have about a 4-hour drive to Kotor, and tomorrow we're going to Montenegro, so we have to cross the borders. It's about a 4-hour drive until we get to our destination, and then we're gonna stay there for one night. Today we drove 4.5 hours and about 500 kilometers. So we're gonna wake up at 7:30 and have breakfast here because it's the earliest that we can eat breakfast, and we're gonna have pretty much all our things ready, eat, and then leave. This is a small room tour. This is the kitchen, the living room, one bedroom, and the other bedroom, and the bathroom. Hello! We sat at this place to eat some meat. Vasily got this beer. I think it's Serbian. We're really hungry, so we're gonna eat now and then go walk around the old town. We got a ribeye steak that has like French fries. It's like a medium-sized plate. They have the crinkled fries that I love. Barbecue. It's like homemade barbecue. And we paid 53 for the medium-sized ribeye, one beer, one Coca-Cola, and a water. Breakfast at Old Town. There's like a cat jumping up and down. We got a burek with cheese, and this is with apple. So I'm guessing it's something like apple pie. And Vasily got an Americano. We got a bottle of water. How much did you pay?
11 something.
Okay. Water here costs like $2.50, like the least. And in Greece, we get like the water for 50 cents. So it's like a really big difference. We have to go back to the hotel before 10 and get our stuff ready because today we're going to Dubrovnik. And today is like a short drive. It's 2 hours, so we have time. Small room tour. This is the kitchen. This is like the living room. And this is the bedroom. And then we have a balcony that looks like this. And then this is the bathroom. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
So we're here in Dubrovnik.
We're gonna try burek with cheese and burek with meat. One croissant with chocolate.
And Vasily made some coffee.
This one is with the meat. It's like a meat pie.
It's good because I don't like too much filling. Okay, now this one is with the cheese.
Not about something very strong.
Yeah, we're used to like the feta and it's like really salty. I like the minced meat better. And this is the croissant we got. It's quite dry, yeah. have about a 6-hour drive today, and the weather is looking like this. And we are gonna go walk around the old town here. We don't have much time. Basically what we're gonna do is eat and walk around, and tomorrow morning we leave, sadly, but it's really beautiful here. And tomorrow we go to Pula, which is another 4-hour drive. So we're leaving Zadar today, and we're going to Pula. This is our apartment in Zadar, 1 bedroom. This is the living room and kitchen, and this is the bathroom. This is the 2nd bedroom, and this is the view from the balcony. And this is what the pool looks like. It's quite small, but it has a nice view. French in there. So this is the bathroom, this is the shower, washing machine. And then we just have some room here. This is the mirror. This is the one bedroom. And this is the other bedroom. And this is the kitchen and the living room. So we just came to Zagreb and this is a small room tour. Here we have the closet, there's a shower and the bathtub, the desk, the bed, and this is a view. We went to the pool, it was kind of cold, and then we went to the sauna and we came back down to shower and get ready so we can go around and walk because tomorrow morning we leave again, and tomorrow we're going to Serbia for 2 nights. So now it's 7:05, hopefully we leave by like 7:20 so we can walk around and get to see the city a little bit. So what did you think of the burek that we just ate?
It was absolutely awesome.
It was really tasty.
Very tasty. Too much oily, but everywhere it was.
I think everywhere, yeah, it was oily. This is the line that they have right now.
So
example, combat yapacağım.
This is a small room tour of our hotel in Bulgaria. This is the bathroom. Here we have a small place to put our suitcase, a desk, 2 chairs, a bed, and there's a little seating area here. And here we have the view. The view is really nice because you can see the mountain there. It's a pretty big area, like we have a lot of space to walk around. So we leave now from Sofia and we're going to Thessaloniki. That's where Vasily's from. And we're gonna stay there for 1 night and leave tomorrow for Athens. I can't believe the days passed by so fast, but like I can hardly remember everything. It's so cool that we stayed at so many hotels and so many different places just in one trip. And it's hard to remember everything So I want to go back and like journal and think about like the whole trip, and it was really nice. It was an experience. We are already thinking of the next trip that we want to do. I don't like traveling by car so much, mostly because I get really car sick, and with a motorcycle I don't get sick. But if you do go by car, there's gonna be so much traffic, especially in the borders. So yeah, if you're patient, you can go by car. Anyway, so now we're gonna leave. It's about 2.5 hours from here till the borders with Greece, and then about an hour and a half till we get to the house. And yeah,